and this kind driver helped an old man who fell off his bike. A man is trying to push his car that stopped working, and look what happens. And this cutie is thanking the pizza delivery man.
Can you ask Siri to pick a number from 1 to 50?
Yes.
Vlogger Josh Sean came up with a cool way to leave a tip.
Pick a number from 50 to 100.
The answer is 80.
80. Says 80.
No.
For me, just do it for me.
Are you so serious?
Yeah,
You're gonna make me cry.
that's okay.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom and cry really quick. Thank you.
A girl called Thoraya Maronesi found her calling in doing good deeds. For instance, she might be giving away flowers, or discreetly leaving a bit of money for people to buy some chocolate, or plant a wallet with $77 inside, gifting it to the first person who finds it. You can find this and a lot more on her YouTube channel. And this girl celebrated her 20th birthday by committing 20 acts of kindness. This guy took up any odd jobs in order to save up and buy a car for his dad, who works as a landscape designer. For 2 years, the father was driven to work by his wife. Just check out this reaction.
That's your truck, boy! Come on! Leave my truck!
In this footage, a disabled man was window shopping for a phone, although he did not have any money. But watch what happens. The author of this video just buys him an iPhone.
Take a picture. You see? Very nice.
And later gave him some cash to buy food.
Thanks. Thanks, very nice.
And how about this shocking moment featuring the rescue of a van that was stuck on a railway track?